Hello, hello, I'm Emily and I am a content creator for Paint Couture, and today we're going to talk about the German glass glitter by Paint Couture. Woo, glass glitter, I love me some glitter, but this glitter is extra cool. I have wisteria in my hand and I'm just going to show you how beautifully glittery that is. So, German glass glitter. This stuff comes in 10 beautiful colors, and I will show you some close-ups of that in a second. And this can be used on basically any surface. All you need is a glue, or you can use a top coat, and you're just going to want to sprinkle it on or spoon it on, and that's it. But I'll also show you a little project that I do with it, and I'll explain every step of the way. So without further ado, let's get some beautiful close-ups and let's dive into this German glitter. The first I'm going to show you here of the German glass glitter is Emerald City, and it's this beautiful green color. Here we have a beautiful color. It's called Blue Diamonds. And as you can see here, we have this gorgeous rich blue. And it's so pretty. Next, we have Wisteria, and this is the color from the beginning of the video, and it's just a really nice purple. Now we have Ruby Slipper, which is this really bold red. Next up is Copper. Harvest Moon is really pretty. It's in between copper and a gold, so it's this really warm, really rich gold. Here's just a beautiful classic gold German glass glitter by Paint Couture, and it's called Gilded Gold. Here we have pure silver, and guys, I think the silver is honestly gorgeous. You just have to try it out. It's even prettier in person, I'm telling you. Here is Sheer Frost, and this is a beautiful white color, and it reminds me of snow. It's just so pretty. Last but not least is Black Onyx. Onyx? I always never know how to say that, but it's a beautiful rich black, and it sparkles. Now that I've shown you the colors, I want to show you how to use this German glass glitter. So we're going to use 3 colors: Harvest Moon, Copper, and Gilded Gold. So I started with this Painted Pumpkin in Modern Rattan, Firelight, and the Peach Boys by Paint Couture. And I'm going to use this satin top coat by Paint Couture as kind of my glue. I'm going to start with this middle section of the pumpkin, and I'm just going to paint my satin clear coat right down on this middle part. And you want to make sure to get full coverage. Next, I'm going to take my Harvest Moon, and I'm just going to sprinkle it all over the satin clear coat. And I like to have the base color underneath, so if there's a little bit of gaps, you can't tell because you get the beautiful mix of the glass glitter and the color underneath. Now you just tilt it and you shake off the extra glitter, and now you can see you have a glittered middle pumpkin. Now that I've shown you the middle, I am going to apply the satin clear coat over the Firelight painted pumpkin parts. And then I'm going to do the same process and just shake my Harvest Moon over the satin clear coat and then shake off the extra. It is important to either just shake it right from the jar or use a spoon and spoon it on, because this is German glass glitter, so it is sharp, so you don't want to cut yourself when you do this. So always use either a spoon or just shake it right on out of the jar. Since this is real German glass glitter, I recommend kids to not play with this. It's smart to do these projects over a piece of paper, so when you're done with the color, you can just fold it up and pour the extra German glitter just right back into the jar. Now that I have the Harvest Moon German glass glitter done over my firelight color, I am going to take my next color, which is copper, and I'm going to put the satin clear coat over my color of the Peach Boys. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and shake on that copper right over the satin clear coat. And remember, it's important to dump the same color glitter after you've shaken off the extra of that one color back into your jar. You don't want to do, for example, the Harvest Moon and the Gilded Gold and any other color and shake it all off in the same pile, because then all of your glitters were mixed. So after you're done with one color, go ahead and collect the extra and fold up that paper and dump it back into the jar. So there are a couple gaps, which is fine. So I'm going back with my satin clear coat and filling those gaps and then shaking the glitter right on top. And voila, gaps are filled. Super easy. To finish this project off, I put my satin clear coat on the pumpkin stem and shook all of my Gilded Gold onto that satin clear coat. And this is over the color Modern Rattan. You can use either a top coat again as your glue, or you can use the glue, whatever you have in your place for the glitter to stick. And that is how you use the German glass glitter by Paint Couture. You can use it on a wooden project like this pumpkin, or anything you like. Thank you for watching, and here is the final project.